Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to zoom into your chart and increase the candle size in TradingView in 2026. Now guys, if you are interested in purchasing TradingView subscription, you can just check out the link of this 80% off discount page in the description. Over here, the Black Friday sale is going on, in which you are going to get 1 month additional plus up to 80% off on all of the subscriptions. Now, this is the greatest deal of the year and it comes once in a year. So, if you were looking for the discounts, now is the time for you to purchase it. Only 2 days left, so make sure that you hurry up and grab this deal. Now, in order to increase the size of the chart, you need to first of all come here on tradingview.com, then log in into your account with your credentials if you haven't already. Over here, click on the option of products or use the search bar here on the top in order to launch the chart of that particular ticker on which you want to basically do this. Now, as you can see, this is the zoom out view, and in order to access this zoom out view, you need to simply use the scroll wheel of your mouse. So with the help of this scroll wheel, when you just zoom it out and zoom it in, it is going to be reflected here on the chart just like so. After that, in order to increase the size of the candle, you just have to simply use the scroll wheel again and you just have to zoom it out here on the chart. As you can see, this is the daily candle which I'm looking at. So I used only the scroll wheel and some of the mouse in order to view the chart as I want to view it. So this way you will be able to do it easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Plus, if you have any questions in mind, you can just drop your comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.